You got something to say, brother? Just gotta go by your car, bro. That's my car right there.
All thanks to him.
Yep.
Thank you.
Guys, there's this Accord right here. It's got the spoilers, it's got the V3 tail lights, it's got exhaust tips, he's got the louvers, he's got the gas covers on, he's got the roof wrap. I feel like he knows me, meaning RedLineMods. He knows my channel. He does not know I just parked here, so we're gonna see what happens. I just spotted this Accord. I'm trying to get some nice food, and yeah, even his badges are blacked out. So let's find that owner and see how he reacts, if he knows me or not. That's gonna be hilarious, man. So guys, it turned out that he knows me. Check out his ride. This is awesome. I love it. He's got these wheels. I'm gonna go on the other side because the cars are coming. So there you have it. This is what he did to his Accord. He's gonna be installing the front lip soon, and make sure you guys follow him on his Instagram. I'll put that in the description below. And this is awesome. He just met me on the road. He's like, yo, is this really you? He got excited, took some pictures together. That's the wheel setup he got. Niche Michelin tires with 230, what is that, 230, I don't know what that, 235 by 40 R19s. There you have it. These are his wheels. He's got the aftermarket rotors, which is awesome. Looks great. He's got the calipers painted. As you can see, carbon fiber style on the covers. He got the chrome delete. That's awesome. Awesome work he did all himself. He got the roof wrapped. Looks great on the silver, I would say. On the side, he's working on that. It's a bit peeled off, but it's all right. We all go through that. He's got the carbon fiber style, the louvers. That look great on his, actually. He's matching his pillars on the side. It's tinted. What percent tint do you have in the back?
25.
25% tints here, maybe 20. Either or. The front looks like 35s. And that's how they'll look. And check out his exhaust tips. Upwork, he got the burnt tips. So this, if you're looking for exhaust tips and burnt tips on a silver Accord, this is how it will look. All right, that's how it is. And you got the V3s right there smoked out, and his emblem's also blacked out. And you got something to say, brother? Just gotta go by your car, bro. That's my car right there.
All thanks to him.
Yep.
Thank you.
There you have it, guys. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate support. It was a fun meet. We got some food together and stuff like that. So stay tuned for more awesome content. And peace out. See you guys until next time.